Hello. Today we are talking about Blue Ewing series. Blue Ewing bird is eye-catching bird for every fancier. Blue Ewing bird is also incomplete dominate bird. But how to produce Blue Ewing Opaline from cheap and standard pairing? And what will be the result in offspring? Here it is. When we pair up Blue Ewing split Opaline with simple blue fischer, the offspring in males: blue fischer, Blue Ewing SF, blue fischer split Opaline, Blue Ewing SF split Opaline. The offspring in females: blue fischer, Blue Ewing SF, blue Opaline, Blue Ewing SF Opaline. In this pairing you will get Blue Ewing Opaline, but it will be a female. In second pairing we used blue split Opaline with Blue Ewing female, and the offspring result in males: blue fischer, Blue Ewing SF, blue fischer split Opaline, Blue Ewing SF split Opaline. And the offspring result in females: blue fischer, Blue Ewing SF, blue Opaline, Blue Ewing Opaline. But the question is, why we use split Opaline in cheap pairing? Because always pair up visual bird with split bird. This pairing is little expensive than previous both, because in this pairing we used blue Opaline female with Blue Ewing split Opaline male. The offspring in male: blue Opaline, Blue Ewing SF Opaline, blue split Opaline, Blue Ewing split Opaline. The offspring in females: blue fischer, Blue Ewing SF, blue Opaline, Blue Ewing SF Opaline. Always make a pairing which give you at least 25% result in each bird. I hope you liked the video and easily understand for what pairing to produce Blue Ewing Opaline. Like the video, comment, and hit the subscribe button. Thank you.